There is a leak in the BJP itself. So he should correct himself over there that Parekar said in a cabinet meeting that before the Rafale papers are in his bedroom, so no one can dare to remove him. That was the challenge made by the Goa CM. Second point, he said that JPC cannot take care of this particular bilateral agreement as per the constitution. I am asking then why the Modi government admitted in the Supreme Court that they had submitted a report to the JPC. They misguided the Supreme Court, taken an order from the Supreme Court, later on requested the Supreme Court to correct the order, and now misguiding the nation that they have a clean sheet from Supreme Court. It is nothing but lies, deceit, and it is not going to last long for a long time. Rafale is the demand of time. Our forces need it. I agree. But why the hell Ambani is coming into picture? Novice in this industry doesn't know anything about it, and why HAL has been ignored. Our institution HAL, being the son of Indian Army Nayak, I know the importance of our Aeronautics Limited. Why HAL has been ignored and why Ambani has been preferred, that is the question where particular foul smell is coming. The BJP, RSS and the sympathizers are ignoring the disease in Rafale deal, and in the Rafale deal the disease is why Anil Ambani has been selected. Why not HAL? The Hollandi said that Anil Ambani's company has been ordered by Modi that he should be given the contract. Why Anil Ambani was given the contract? Here the picture comes from whenever Ravi Shankar Prasad or Lakshmi Lekhi said that Muslim women came to them and discussed all this, at that time the speaker never asked for authentication, never asked to vouch for the authenticity of the information in the context of triple talaq. But today I am quite amazed to see that the speaker insisting to vouch for the authentication from Rahul Gandhi. Why not the same standard applied during the triple talaq debate? Why not the same authentication was demanded during the triple talaq debate? It means that something is fishy taking place. Cabinet Minister of Goa have opened this particular Pandora box. He must have answered and he should be answered. I am not against investigation, but in our nation nowadays, meat is becoming beef in the laboratory. Look at the case of Akhlaq. He was murdered brutally for having meat in the house. Within 15 days, that meat has converted into beef by the lab. So this particular tape, if goes through the lab, what will happen to it under Modi regime, I don't know. The first point, negotiation doesn't take only verbally. It takes place in written also, through emails, through letters, through couriers, etc. The offer letter made by the company of that particular price. Remember the offer letter of the company. So the negotiations were not only verbally but in written also. Datta should have gone through the paper when a leader of opposition claiming something that they had the negotiation, they had the paper proof also. That 500 plus crore rupees was for each Rafale jet in the form of offer letter by the company. Now the second point, technology transfer. Technology transfer is taking place with whom? Anil Ambani. With no establishment on ground related to the defense equipment. Technology transfer with whom? Anil Ambani, who never made a paper plane. Technology transfer with whom? Anil Ambani, who don't know ABCD of defense equipment. So that is the main bone of contention. Why Anil Ambani? Why not HAL? Why Anil Ambani is being benefited? Because he is Ambani? That is the only reason. And that is the source of corruption. That is the source of contention, and that is the valid point raised by the opposition against Modi. And he did not answer it. Datta is not answering. Defense Minister is not answering. Finance Minister is not answering. That is the question. Hollandi claimed Anil Ambani name was ordered by Modi. Why the hell it is being ordered? Why not our own HAL? I am son of Indian Army Nayak. I ask this question. Why not our government company?